What?
Did you hear that?
I didn't hear anything.
Exactly. Isn't that cool?
Dad, you're really weird.
Did you ever wonder what it takes to build vehicles that don't sound like this? In the aerospace industry, government and companies together are working hard to ensure that the sounds of aircraft are not too loud or harmful. Over the next few minutes, we'll introduce you to the world of acoustics and how it must be considered in aircraft designs. Let's review a couple of options you have for aviation career paths: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM. An aviation career path can include working in the field of physics. In physics, there is a branch of study named acoustics. The origin of acoustics comes from mid-17th century Greek language, acoustikos, from akouin. When translated to English, it means to hear. More specifically, acoustics is a branch of physics that deals with the study of mechanical waves in gases, liquids, and solids, including topics such as vibration, sound, ultrasound, and infrasound. A scientist who works in the field of acoustics is an acoustician, while someone working in the field of acoustics technology may be called an acoustical engineer. These are career paths that you can take if you wish. The application of acoustics is present in almost all aspects of modern society, with the most obvious being the audio and noise control industries. Aviation is one industry where the application of acoustics has played a role for keeping aircraft noise at reasonable levels. At the FAA, we not only certify aircraft to be safe to fly, we also help ensure that aircraft meet established noise standards. You may ask, why is it important on how these new aircraft sound? The noise level of new generation aircraft are important because there is the potential for thousands of new generation aircraft to be in use in just the next 10 years. This growth in numbers could make certain areas of our cities and suburbs louder than many people are used to. Repeated loud noises aren't just a nuisance, they can be a hazard to both humans and wildlife. In simple terms, this presentation you're about to see will explore how different aircraft sound and why it's important to design them to be not only safe, but as quiet as possible. Let's listen to how different aircraft sound and which design features influence the noise they make. It's exciting, ongoing acoustical work happening right now at the FAA. And this means the aviation industry will need future experts in the field of acoustics.